Hope you all are fine. In this video, I'm going to discuss the problem from inverse variation. As in my earlier videos, I have explained about inverse variation. Inverse variation means when one quantity increases, the other quantity or the variable decreases. Or if the first variable decreases, the other will increase. Okay, so this is called as the inverse variation. So here in this video, I'm going to explain the word problem from inverse variation. So let's see the question. Here the first question is that if 12 men can dig a pond in 8 days. Okay, अगर 12 लोग जो हैं वो एक pond को 8 दिनों में खोद देते हैं, तो how many men can dig it in 6 days? तो 6 days में उन कितने और हमको लोग लगेंगे या कितने लोग जो हैं 6 दिनों में एक पॉन्ड तैयार कर लेंगे. So here 12 men, they are digging the pond in 8 days. Now in 6 days they have to dig out a pond. So it means here the number of days has been decreased. So it means we have to increase the manpower. Means we require more men in order to complete the work in 6 days. So it is inverse variation. When one variable decreases, the other has to increase. Okay, so let's see what are the two quantities that we have to consider is the men, number of men and number of days. Okay, so let's see how to solve this. So it is inverse variation because when the number of days is decreasing, it means we have to increase the number of men in order to complete the work in 6 days. Okay, so it is number of men and here number of days. Okay, so number of men can be considered as x and number of men as first is 12. When we hire 12 men, they dig a pond in 8 days. Okay, so when the work has to be done in 6 days, we don't know the number of men that we have to hire, and that is the quantity that we need to find out. Okay, so let it be x2. It is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. Okay, and we know that in inverse variation the rule is x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2. Okay, so x1 and y1 we are having 12 into 8 is equal to x2 we don't have, so we have to find out, into y2 is your 6. Okay, now 6 we have to find out here x2, so 6 will be going this side, and as it is multiplied in the side, so it will get divided on the, or it will be dividing 12 into 8. Okay, so it will be 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12 and 8 twos are 16. It means when the number of days decrease, we have to increase the manpower, and here the number of men is 16. Okay, so when number of days was 8, the number of men were 12. Okay, and now when the quantity, the one quantity that we have decreased, that is number of days we have decreased, so we have to increase the number of men, and it has increased to 16. Okay, so this is the inverse variation. Hope you understood the explanation, and kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button.